this is Manish Patel. Today I want to talk about crypto. Okay, a lot of people are getting hurt on crypto, a lot of misconceptions on crypto trading, especially when you start dealing with altcoins. And a lot of people are thinking one sided, where bullish, 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 when you should not be thinking that at all. You should be neutral, where it could go bullish or bearish, okay, and trade that way. So the kickstart of this is someone entered a trial for the TNT and basically said it doesn't work for crypto. It does. It's just a matter of how you're thinking and your mindset going forward. Okay, and I want to address that here. So you have to understand crypto, especially altcoins, if you're trading, have a lot of volatility in them, including the main big crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. And I know that this week a lot of people have been thinking about Ethereum and how it's going to move because of the ETF and stuff like that. But it doesn't work that way. What you need to do is you need to know ahead of time what's going to have a high probability of moving and staying consistent in that trend. And the only way you really could do that is by looking at TNTs. So I want to show you how the AI forecasting tool does work for crypto. I want to show you some long-term trades in crypto that are there, and also how you could apply the crypto for day trading, swing trading, or long-term. It does not matter. But you got to start off on the weekly time frame and be able to forecast that that instrument's going to move that week. If it's not going to move that week, then there's high probability it's going to go up and down during that week, and you could get caught on the wrong side. So you need to be prepared with crypto and have a list going into Monday's trading on what can move and trade those for day trading, swing, or even long term. So let's go to the charts and show you proof of behind my words. So here are majority of all the altcoins out there. I don't care if you believe in them, if they're pump and dump type of scenarios or anything like that. Remember, you have a black bar here, and what you're looking for is the next bar. It's got a high probability to move. If it has a red background, it's going to move bearish. If it has a green background, it's going to be moving bullish. If it has no background, we're looking for a drawdown before we enter the trade. Okay, and what you could do is you could look for these TNTs on the weekly. And when you get a TNT on the weekly, it tells you the next week it's got a high probability to move. So those are the same instruments you could take on a trade off the weekly, or you could day trade those during that week, or swing trade those during that week. So the weekly TNTs give me the ability to play long term, short term, and medium term. Okay, but I do not trade a crypto long term unless you have a TNT on a weekly time frame. Okay, so these are cryptos here. This is the crypto. I'm not even going to say some of these names because I don't even know what they are. This blue line tells you that it's in a trend already, and it got kickstarted from a TNT type of strategy. So there was original TNT here. There's another TNT here. So this has been going down for a very, very long time, since April 1st. And this is continuing to go down. There's no TNT last week. So here's what we're looking for last week so that we could trade it this week. So there was no opportunity there to trade it this week. This is existing trend that's going down. Space, this existing trend that's going down. So I'm looking for two things. If there's a blue line here, it's telling you there's existing trend and which way it's been going. Okay, so that's a long-term play that's already profitable. And the second thing I'm looking for is opportunities I could have traded this week. And to do that, you have to have a black bar right there. That means this week we could have traded it. So far there's no opportunities you could have day trade or swing trade this week. This is long-term. All these with the blue are pretty much long-term, where there are opportunities that are already entered and they're already in a trend and they're free. So these are free, and I'm looking for a black bar here, 2 bars ago because this week here. And if you go down the list here, This is for next week. If you see a bar right now because the cryptos are about to close tomorrow, if you see a black bar here, that could be an opportunity for next week. Okay, here's one. This was a couple of weeks ago, but not this week. So these are all existing trades that were in that's already started started a trend. Notice all of them are bearish. You didn't have a single bullish one at all. That means crypto is still bearish from the altcoin perspective. Okay, and here there's no trade here. I'm just going through looking for a bar ago to have a black bar to tell me if there was any trading opportunities for this week. Nope. So far, none. Nada. These are opportunities here that were a week ago that we entered and they're still existing. So that's now a free trade going forward. This is also a free trade going forward. So those are fresh new trades from 2 weeks ago, not last week. Notice there's no opportunities at all. And notice one thing, a lot of these bars this week consolidated. It did not break the weekly low or high at all. So cryptos this week are just doing nothing, okay? So I'm continuously going down this entire list. There's Ethereum here. It went up, but still didn't break the weekly high. It could come back down. So if you look at this entire list, which is all the major cryptos and altcoins, there was no TNT for us to sit there and trade this week. That means there were zero opportunities for us to day trade, swing trade, or long-term trade for crypto this week. Remember, there's not going to be opportunities all the time. When they come, you want to go in and grab them, okay? But if there's no opportunities, there's nothing for you to do, okay? It's like you wanting to make $100 a week in the market. If the market only has, if there's only $1 on the table, how are you going to make $100? You can't. This is where you have to be patient to be a trader. If you're not, you're gambling, okay? And I wanted to make that point very clear because it's very frustrating to see users are losing money in crypto when they shouldn't even be trading that particular crypto at all for that day or that week. They should just be being patient. Patience is the key to being consistently profitable in any market. It doesn't matter if it's crypto, stocks, currencies, futures, or anything like that. But you have to be extremely careful in crypto, especially when you start dealing with these altcoins due to the volatility. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the questions in the social media post. Please like and share this video to other people too. Thank you.